Hey guys, Crewman here for Cryptominerbros. This is the unboxing of the ElphaPex DG Home. It comes pretty well packed, one of the best I've ever seen. And this is what it looks like once you unbox it. Now I want to show you everything you need to see. That is 120 or 240. You have the Ethernet cable right there. And then you have where you screw in your Wi-Fi antenna, which comes inside the packing. And that's really all you need to know. There is a what to do and what not to do on the side, and I highly recommend you read that. Again, you can power this thing on 120 or 240 volt, and you can either use Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So that's really all you need to know. This thing is super simple to set up and easy to get going. I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing video. And on behalf of Crypto Miner Bros, this is Cryptman signing out, and I hope you guys really enjoy your DG Home 1. So this video assumes that you already have a Dogecoin address and a wallet, and frankly, if you don't, you can just mine directly to Coinbase if you want. I don't recommend it, but it's honestly the easiest way to do it, and it's also the easiest way to get it into your bank account if you live in the US. So you could just literally directly mine it to Coinbase if you want. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the IP address. Now, frankly, what I would personally do is just log into my router and find it that way. It is literally named ElphaPex DG Home 1, so it's super easy to find. But if you don't know how to do that, you can always download a program called like Angry IP Scanner and do it that way. I don't recommend doing it this way, but that is one way to do it if you can't get into your router. Once you find your IP, put it in your address bar and then log into your miner. Now, the default username is root and the default password is root. And you're going to want to go on the left-hand side and you're going to want to click on the password button. And then you're going to want to change your password. The default is root, so change it to whatever you want. And then you're going to want to hit save it and it's going to ask you to relog in. That's the first step. And you got to make sure you do that before anything else. Next, and this is optional, if you want to use it on its Wi-Fi network, you need to go to Wi-Fi. You're going to want to toggle that button on, and then it's going to show you a list of your networks, and you're going to want to log into your network. Now, if you just plan on using it hardlined, you can skip this step. Next, you're going to want to connect to your pool. It depends what mining pool you want to use. There's plenty of pools, as you can see here. I'm personally using mining.dutch, but you can use any one of these you have. So basically what you want to do is you want to go find the pool you want, and you'll get your pool address from there. Most of these pools you have to log in and create an account, and then it'll show you exactly what you need to do to get your pool address, and it'll give you a worker name and everything like that. So once you have all of that info, you're going to want to go to the miner tab on your miner. You're going to want to put the pool address, the rig name, and then save it. Now you can put backups if you want. I have backups, so basically if one of them goes down, it'll go to the second one and then the third one. So you probably want to populate all three with either the same pool or different pools. Totally up to you. Probably at least 2 different pools to be safe. And then that's it. This is what it should look like when it's finished. When you scroll down, it'll show you your fan settings and all of that. But this is exactly what you need to know to get yourself up and running with no problems. So thank you so much to Crypto Miner Bros for inviting me to make this video. On behalf of Crypto Miner Bros, this is Crewman Mining signing out.